Hello everybody, the Brad Myers 12 here, giving you a short tutorial on how to create your very own Tekkit server. Alrighty, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder. You can call it whatever you'd like. I'm going to call mine Tekkit Server, like so. And then what you would want to do is you're going to want to go to your internet browser, and I'm just going to search Tekkit, it's faster, and go to the technicpack.net. They have this laid out very easily. Basically, all you really have to do is you see this download right here, Tekkit Server 3.1.2. Just click it, let it download. And this will be a zip file, so I suggest that you use WinRAR. If you don't have it, I will put a link in the description. Basically, you've got your, open up your folder, there we go, and you're basically going to copy all of this and paste it in here like so. And you can exit out of this. Once you do this, you're going to hit this launch button, and it's going to, as you can see with this right here, as it starts up, it will add the files that it needs to add. Give this a minute because this will take some time to do. And while we're waiting for this to completely load, one thing, make sure that you have plenty of RAM on your computer to run this from your computer. If you're not running it from a different computer, I'm running a little over 16, nope, a little over, wow, I'm running 16 gigs of RAM right now. Alright, now that you see this is done, what you want to do, just type stop and hit enter. It'll stop the server, and press any key to continue. Alrighty, after you've done this, the next thing you're going to want to do is port forward the 255.65 port so players can come onto your server. Which to do that, if you were running Windows 7, down here in the search, type CMD enter. And when you do that, it will bring up your command prompt. Do IP config enter. And it'll bring up a default all your connections. You want the default gateway, which is basically the same for everybody. So go back to your internet browser and 192.168.1.1, and it'll ask you to log in. For me, I have Netgear. So what I would do once it loads is go to Advanced, and then we're going to go to Advanced Setup and port forwarding and port triggering, which I already have mine set up. As you can see, my private Minecraft 255.65. But this right here is extremely important. First, if depending on your router, this is your computer IP. As you can tell, I have multiple computers on mine. So once again, if you've already exited out of it, go to CMD and then do IP config once again. And see, my computer address is .5, which this is on, so I'm good to go. Once actually I'll do this for y'all so y'all can see. I'm gonna delete this service. Okay. I'm going to add a custom service. I'm going to call it Tekkit. You want it TCP/UDP. This will be 255.65, 255.65, and mine will list it for me. I don't know if y'all's will, but if not, you just type it in the given area and apply it. Once that's done, you can exit out. Once you have exited out, you will go to look in your server properties, which surprisingly, there we go. open with Notepad++. I always use Notepad++. It's the best thing to do when you're editing anything, and I will also put that in the description so you can download it if you do not have it. Make sure on your server properties your server port is 25565. That's really all you have to do. I mean, right here where it says server IP, you don't have to put that. It's kind of one of those given situations. I mean, if you want to, we can name it. We could go Brad's Tekkit. Let's do that. Very simple. And save whatever you change. Exit out. And you can start up your server. .4 seconds, not bad. Alright, minimize that. Now, for other people to join, you cannot give them your computer IP because it will not work. So the easiest way to do it is just Google search, what's my IP? And look at that, it will bring up your IP, which this is my IP. And that's what you'll give everybody to log on. Once you have done that, I'll keep that on the screen for y'all so y'all can see. Once you've done that, you will go to your Tekkit launcher, which I am going to have to update real fast because I am running a different version, which you gotta do what you gotta do. Give it a second. It shouldn't take too much long. Shouldn't take too long to upgrade this. I am utterly surprised because usually it does not take this long. Oh look, there's two people on that one. I'm just gonna direct connect. There's my server IP. Oh, okay, that's cool. Wait, did I have a space in there? Oh, that's why. Space. And you can see over here that you can see that I've logged in. And that is how you make your own Tekkit server. I will be doing some more videos on how to add some plugins that'll be good for Tekkit in general, and opping and permissions. So look forward to those, and thanks for watching.